Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of Windows 10 in OpenBox Tech channel. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on or enable Grayscale mode in your Windows 10. So if you want to turn on Grayscale mode in Windows 10, just go to the search bar here and search for color filters. COLO or color filter. And you can see there's an option called turn color filters on or off. So just click on it and you can see there's a setting option is on, and you can see color filters are here. So you just have to turn on the color filters here. So if you say just like off here, so just click turn on, and you can see the choose here is grayscale, and you can see also the background is now black and white. So you can also choose the inverted option here, which will reverse color on the display. So if I choose that, now you can see the color is now is reverse position, and you can also see the grayscale inverted here. So to turn on the grayscale, just choose the grayscale here, and it will turn into black and white. So if you want to turn off the grayscale mode, just turn off the color filters here, and it will turn back to the normal again. So to turn on the grayscale mode, just turn on the color filters here, choose the grayscale, and it will turn the grayscale mode. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.